Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to merge cells in Excel. Why would you want to know how to merge cells in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Microsoft Excel. So today I am going to show you how to merge cells in Excel. Okay, here is our table. We want to give it a name, something like merge of contents. Okay, the name is big to the cell. Let's do something like cells merge. Press home and merge and center. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to merge cells in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.